Happy morning, student. Dear student, we have reached the last chapter of physics, which is semiconductor devices. In 11th science, we have learned the theories related with a semiconductor. Okay, now in this standard, we have to study different semiconductor devices. First semiconductor device is PN junction diode as a rectifier. You know that there are the two types of semiconductor, P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor. Okay, and when the P-type semiconductor is joined with a N-type semiconductor, then PN junction is formed and PN junction diode is formed. Then what is the PN junction diode? It is the two-terminal semiconductor device which allows the electric current in only one direction, which blocks the electric current in opposite direction. This is the very important property of PN junction diode. What is the PN junction diode? PN junction diode is the semiconductor device. It is the two-terminal semiconductor device. It has a two electrodes, anode and cathode, which allows the electric current in only one direction and which blocks the electric current in opposite direction or reverse direction. Okay, now what is the symbol of PN junction diode? Symbol of PN junction diode is like this. This is the P-type semiconductor, acts as an anode. This is the N-type semiconductor, acts as a cathode. This is the symbol of PN junction diode or semiconductor diode. This PN junction diode can be used as a rectifier. Then what is the rectifier? Rectifier is the electrical device which convert AC into DC. AC means alternating current and DC means direct current. What is the necessity of this conversion AC into DC? Because in our home, there are the many electronic gadgets such as a TV, mobile charger require DC supply. In our home, AC supply is necessary. AC supply is available and therefore we have to convert this AC supply into the DC supply. Okay, therefore rectifier means it is the electrical device which convert AC into DC, and the process which convert AC into DC, that process is called as a rectification. The conversion of AC into DC is called as a rectification, and the device which convert the AC into DC is called as a rectifier. Yes, see this. Then PN junction diode can be used as a rectifier. There are the two types of rectifier. First, half wave rectifier. What is then half wave rectifier? See this. Circuit diagram of half wave rectifier is shown on the blackboard. Here, of course, input is the AC supply. It is the sinusoidal. Okay, it is the function of sine, because in previous chapter electromagnetic induction, you know this. Okay, alternating EMF, alternating current. Okay, and it is the function of sine. Therefore, the symbol of AC is nothing but a sine wave. This is the transformer T. Here the transformer T is used. Here is the PN junction diode. It's connected to the transformer. And here is the RL is nothing but a load resistance. Okay. Then what is the use of transformer here? It allows us to step up or step down the AC input voltage. It allows us to step up or step down the AC input voltage. You know there are the two types of transformers, step up transformer and step down transformer. स्टेप अप ट्रान्सफॉर्मरमध्ये काय होतं आहे की व्होल्टेज हे इंक्रीजिंग व्होल्टेज मिळतं आहे. स्टेप डाऊनमध्ये आपल्याला डिक्रीजिंग व्होल्टेज हे आउटपुटला मिळत आहे. आणि सेकंड यूज ऑफ द ट्रान्सफॉर्मर इज इट रिड्युसेस द रिस्क ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक from the AC supply, because we have to use here the AC input. Then it is nothing but a transformer. It is the primary of the transformer, P1 and P2 terminals. This is the S1 and S2 terminal. Secondary of the transformer. Secondary of the transformer is connected to the anode, and cathode of the PN junction diode is connected to the RL. Okay, then what is the working? Okay, then you know this is the AC input, this is the positive half cycle, this is the negative half cycle. Okay, first during the positive half cycle, P1 becomes positive with respect to the P2. As the P1 is positive potential, S1 is the positive potential with respect to the S2. Therefore, this diode becomes the forward bias. It becomes the conduct, and the current flows through the RL. And here we get the output voltage, which is in the form of a DC, means direct current voltage. Okay, now next half cycle is the negative half cycle. During the negative half cycle, P1 is negative with respect to the P2. Therefore, S1 is negative with respect to the S2. Therefore, this diode becomes the reverse bias, and no current is flowing through the diode. Therefore, only during the positive half cycle, current is flowing through the diode. Current always flows through the diode in the same direction for alternate half cycle. याच डिरेक्शननी करंट काय होणार आहे, हा फ्लो होणार आहे. ओके, थ्रू द RL. आणि मग काय होते, फक्त हाफच वेव रेक्टिफाईड होते, आणि देअरफॉर इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ए हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर. इफ वी हॅव टू draw the input and output waveforms, then the input and output waveform is like this. This is the input waveform. Input waveform is always the sine wave. Okay, and output waveform, this is the input AC, and DC output is equal to the, during the positive half cycle, diode conducts, therefore we get the current. Okay, during the negative half cycle, diodes is reverse bias, it don't conduct, therefore we don't get the current. Again, during the positive half cycle, we get the current, and diode is the forward bias. Therefore, for alternate half cycle, diode current flows through the same direction. Therefore, it is called as a half wave rectifier. Now, full wave rectifier. In full wave rectifier, two diodes are used, D1 and D2. Of course, this is the AC input. This is the transformer, but here the center tap transformer is used because it has the 5 terminals. This is P1, this is P2, this is S1, and this is S2. Okay, and this is the center tap C. Therefore, it has the 5 terminals. Okay. Now, AC input is connected to the primary of the transformer, and the secondary of the transformer is connected to the diode through this load resistance RL. Okay, now working. See this. During the positive half cycle, what happens? P1 becomes positive with respect to P2. Therefore, S1 becomes positive. Therefore, diode D1 is forward bias. During the same half cycle, this P2 is at the negative potential. Therefore, S2 is at the negative potential. Therefore, diode D2 is reverse bias. But diode D1 is forward bias and the current flows through the diode from A, P, Q, R, C. See this, A, P, Q, R and C in this way. Okay, during the positive half cycle. Okay, म्हणजे during the positive half cycle, D1 is forward bias, D2 is reverse bias. Okay, during the negative half cycle, what happens? P1 is at negative potential, P2 is at positive potential. Therefore, S1 is at negative potential, S2 is at positive potential. Therefore, diode D2 is forward bias. It conducts. And at the same time, D1 is reverse bias. It don't conduct. Okay, and the current flows through the diode from, see this, कुठून फ्लो होणार आहे? B, P, Q, R, C. B, P, Q, R, C. See this. B, P, Q, R, C. म्हणजे या वेने तो काय होणार आहे? बरोबर करंट हा फ्लो होणार आहे. म्हणजे फॉर पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकल D1 is forward bias, D2 is reverse bias. During the negative half cycle, D1 is reverse bias, D2 is forward bias. म्हणजे प्रत्येक हाफ सायकलला एक डायोड काय राहतोय? नेहमी फॉरवर्ड बायस राहतोय. Therefore, the current flows through the diode through the load resistance in the same direction during the both the cycle. Both cycle ला करंट काय होतोय? हा फ्लो होतो आहे. Okay, therefore we can draw the input and output waveform as this. Say this. This is the input AC and this is output DC. Okay. This is the sinusoidal wave, sine wave. Okay. Therefore, during the positive half cycle, diode D1 is forward bias. During the negative half cycle, D2 is forward bias. Therefore, we get the current. Again, during the positive half cycle, D1 is forward bias. Means the current flows through the load resistance in the same direction during the both the cycles, positive as well as the negative. And in this way, this PN junction diode convert AC into DC. Okay, and there are the two types, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier मध्ये at a time फक्त हाफच wave rectified होतीये. Therefore, it is called as a half wave rectifier and current flows through the load resistance in the same direction for alternate half cycle. And in full wave rectifier, the current flows through the load resistance in the same directions. Okay, मग ती directions AP, Q, RC असेल किंवा B, P, Q, RC असेल. करंटची डिरेक्शन्स काय मात्र दोन्ही सेम आहे. Therefore, it is very important device, PN junction diode as a rectifier. Let us stop here.